In this video, I'll show you how to build an Iceberg order on Sierra chart, also known as a hidden quantity order. So this is a powerful feature for those who want to trade large options or positions without revealing the full size to the market. So listen carefully as I explain each step, since I won't be able to show you some steps in here due to restrictions, and listen carefully so you can follow along. So first thing first, make sure your trading interface is visible. So assumingly our chart visuals is visible in here. So now go to the trade section on the top menu and then select the open trade window for chart, and this will opens up your order configuration panel. So next, under the order types, choose a limit order or a stop limit order depending on your strategy. So Iceberg functionality works best with these order types. So to set a display quantity, now there's a key part in the trade window. Look for the display quantity or QTY field, and let's say you want to place a 100 lot order but only show 10 at the time to the market. You would enter like order quantity 100 and then display quantity 10. So this will send a visible 10 lot order, and every time it's filled, Sierra chart will automatically repose another 10 until the full 100 is filled. And to place order, double check your order size and display quantity, then click buy or sell based on your position, and you'll now see only the smaller portion reflected in the order book. So that's your Iceberg in actions. And that's it. So that's how you build an Iceberg order on Sierra Charts. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.